Okay, here's a quick video of the Aceup 1200 watt generator out of the box and in the sun. Started it ice cold this morning. It's about 3 pulls to start it. And that wet spot right there, I actually ran it out of fuel and then the float stuck. So didn't have to really do anything with it. I just took the unit over and then filled, so the float would free, and then filled it up back up with fuel, and it's running fine. But don't know why it's stuck, but not a huge deal. Anyways, do a warm start here.